to shift this page. The camera is somewhere. I think it's just cool. That's it. Now, can you notice something? It's drew up everything that looks like this. This is not this card wrapper, but it looks like it's someone. That's why the computer brought it up. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Now, this is one. I'm assuming if you go up, this is just page one. Might be like 500 pages of. So if you take your time and go, you might see that product, you might not see it. There's a possibility you see it, and there's another possibility you might not see it. Now, what I do, we now have to run through the second option now, the second way of searching. We've used the first one for this product, we're able to find it. The second one is, let's look at what all these things are. There are categories. Right click here. Is this scroll? Is this scroll? Right click here. Translate to English. Now, don't get this translation wrong. It's not a human translation. It's a computer-generated translation. So you might be saying something like, one word can mean two things, right? So you might be saying the second meaning of that word. So, and you might be saying something funny. Fashion summer girl pink, they stripe, something that doesn't make sense. But it helps. It's better than not having an idea of what that they are writing, whatever means. Now, this is where this thing is. Scroll. Which one is? Which one should be orange? Check the one that's orange. It should be on one. Okay, so this should fall under. Is that accessories? Yeah, let's try it. Click on the accessories. Okay, it's already on digital. Look at what I was saying. It's orange, digital. So we didn't find that. Click on accessories. Let's see. Scroll down. Let's scroll down. Well, I think we don't have all that time. What I will do is I will scroll down. If you scroll to the bottom, you see this is just page one. You can check for there is loading, of course, until it gets to the end of the page. So it keeps loading and loading and loading. Now, I'm assuming again, we couldn't find it using the second way of searching. Now, the third way would mean us, because some of these sellers, they realize that people use English to buy from their site. Now, some of them, what they do is, when they write the name of the product they are selling in Chinese language, they also add the English language there. They want to catch, they want to kill two birds with one stone. Like, if an Englishman comes to the site, it's assumed ordinarily he doesn't know Chinese. So what you type into that search button will be what? English. So go back to that search result. That will Google. No, Google. Let's get the name of that product. How do we do that? Go to, okay, I think it's TK303. I think it's TK303. So go to search and type in TK303. together, no space. I don't know. You notice something? You didn't. What did you notice? One product, right? One product, yeah. Now, if you open this product, you see a place. You see that it includes that